It's been a long, cold night, and just to make things worse, it started to rain. Ernest Clydesdale's blood sugar is also very low, and his crew worries for his safety.
So obviously, fucking last night wasn't cool. Fuck me. My blood sugar's way too low right now. I'm a diabetic, so this is fucked. You know, I did not get 1 ounce of sleep last night. Not only was I tired and cold, but now I'm wet. So that 100% ruined everything. Okay, let's go. Feeling too good, not too good. I'm about to pull a big, are you filming? I'm about to pull a fucking Hail Mary. I know there's a fucking squirrel's nest up there. You ever watch Spider-Man? Haha! Like a spider monkey. I don't have any upper body strength. Come on, do it for your fucking white faggot. Holy fuck! Fuck my nuts!
Ernest Clydesdale's life is in serious danger if the crew does not get him to a hospital in time.
Ugh.
Jesus Christ.
Give me a fucking granola bar. Fuck. I got shit. Granola bar. I'm gonna shit my pants. Give me no fucking hospital. Give me no fucking hospital. Fuck. Okay, go.
Honey got a sexy on steaming. She give my hotness a new meaning. Perfection, mommy, you gleaming.